Hello again and welcome to my channel. For those of you who don't know me, my name is Paul. I am the Professor of Film. If you love what you see today, please do subscribe, hit the bell icon, and so you'll know when I'm making other videos. And if you like this video, please do like and please comment. I'd love to hear your comments. I'd love to know what you're thinking about my videos, so do let me know, good and bad. Well, you know, I can take it. Okay, so today I'm talking, rather than talking about cameras, I'm talking about a flash. Can you get flashes back to life when they're really, really old? So what I've got here, put my glasses on, is a Nikon Speedlight SB22. Now this was a beautiful speedlight in its day. Bounce flash, did lots and lots of different things. But the point is, I know for a fact that this one hasn't been used now for 15 years. Hasn't been touched for 15 years. So, can we get it back to life? Because what happens is with these flashes, thyristors actually die. So what we're going to do is we're going to have a little go. There is a secret to these, and that is what I'm going to show you today. So, just checking it over. The beautiful thing about one of these is that you can find them on the beautiful thing about these is you can find them quite cheaply on eBay and other such places. Anyway, so we're going to turn it on, and I know for a fact that this hasn't been used for years. So it's turned on now, but nothing's happening because the thyristor needs time to warm up. The trick is just to leave it alone and let it do its own thing. So now we have to see what's going on. Turn it off, and now we'll turn it on again. Oh, it came straight on. Look at that. Goodness. So you tell the camera, you tell the flash, the ISO of the, or ASA of the film, you tell, you have manual and TTL. So if we put it on TTL, and then we take something like this beautiful Nikon FE2, let's make sure I haven't got any film in here. I don't think I have. No. So this is one of my go-to cameras. So it will work with this flash, he says. He says. There we go. Goodness me. You see the camera's now recognising the fact it's got the flash fitted. Or that red flashing light. That's telling me. There we go. So. Oh, I remember why now. There we are. Well, that was an easy one. That was easy. Goodness. Turn it off. band. TTL, through the lens metering. That's what it means. And you can have it as a bounce flash. So basically, TTL, it's telling you there that it's on bounce. TTL means that the camera reads the amount of light that's coming into it from the meter flash. So the flash will flash and the camera says, that's enough light, thank you, and turns the flash off through the lens metering. Changed a lot of people. Fantastic. That's it. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to comment. If you'd like anything else, let me know. And speak to you soon. Thanks very much. Bye bye.